bright shining as the sun. We've no less days to sing God's praise.